Hey everyone, this is Isaac. Welcome back to another CapCut tutorial.
And in this video I'm going to show you how to use adjustment layers in CapCut so you can apply effects or color changes to multiple clips at once. Let's get started. Adjustment layers are basically invisible layers you put on top of your clips. Any effect, filter or color correction you add to them affects everything underneath, saving you time. To add one, go to the overlay tab and go to adjustment. Here you have custom adjustment. Click the plus to add an adjustment layer to your track. With the adjustment layer selected, an adjustment tab opens up on the right. Here you can make adjustment to your videos, like color grading, brightness and contrast, or exposure. And as you can see, once I made a change, everything underneath the adjustment layer gets changed as well. If I put something above the adjustment layer, as you can see, it doesn't get affected by it.
And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials. And if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.